The question about whether the Judicial and Legal Service Commission should remain the sole appointer of judges was accompanied with the view that the present system lacks transparency and is basically an open door for JLSC members to appoint whosoever they wish. Panelist Rajiv Prasad said while he accepts that this may in fact be the general perception of the system, it does not necessarily mean this is so.
It has been said for years that this process is shrouded in secrecy. But you never really know the person who's saying that, what extent they've actually made the effort to look at the process. Because you can't really say something is shrouded in secrecy if there's criteria, like there is in the Gazette, and there's an application process. It may be that we as a developing society want to get some information about the applicants.
Meanwhile, Vindradal Singh, an attorney of some 34 years, expressed concern over whether the process to appoint a judge was rigorous enough. He had a particular concern over instructing attorneys being considered for the post. As he said in his respectful view, the position does not provide the hands-on experience a judge ought to have.
Although they have capacity, they have good schooling, they went to the universities and they have high grades, they do not have that necessarily that level of experience in litigation.
Another concern coming out of the consultation was the salaries of judges and whether it was sufficient compared to the lucrative business of private practice. More specifically, it raised the question of whether the salary offered was enough to convince the best attorneys to apply to be a judge. But panel member Justice Desiree Bernard outlined there is a far greater privilege attached to being a judge than merely money.
It would be attractive to those who have made what they consider to be a very good income from the bar and who would love to give to the country the benefit of their judicial experience by becoming a judge.
Following Tuesday's pilot consultation, LAT will hold consultations in Rima, San Fernando, Chagones and Tobago. Janine Browne, C News.